Can Tyre be restored? I actually don't know, since we are so small and we are subject of this much greater kingdom, which is going to be invaded by another even bigger kingdom. And so yeah, I wouldn't expect a great success, but I can try. Okay. Hopefully we have the missions. Okay. So I need to have good relations with some of these countries. Let's take this one so we can improve better the relations. Okay. The plus 0.4% population growth is actually great. And I can add another 0.5%. Damn. That's actually insane. I'm taking this. I mean, we are increasing by almost doubling the speed of the growth. That's insane. Okay, the war has started. Hopefully we don't explode. I'm going to be sieged. Wow. That's not great. But I don't know if that will allow me to complete the missions. Because last time I tried, I became a vassal of the Egyptians. And I couldn't complete this for some reason. I need a lot of political influence. Okay. Okay, for some reason the mission 3 is not working. At least the part where I make these my vassals. So I will try to gain independence with the 3 and use my money to buy some colonies and make lots of money. What the hell? I hope the Persians get invaded by the Parthians. So we have one less. The only country that can defeat Egypt dies. Okay, I need to spare the money for the relations increase. This actually looks incredibly horrible. I mean, that 3 does not work, or I did something wrong. Um, my my leader could annex me at any moment. When I get independence, I could get attacked at any moment. I better save now. And wait, maybe if I make friends with her leader, he won't kill me. I never thought of this, but this may actually save me. Okay. Please be an out, please. Oh my god. How are they outside of my diplomatic range, man? And Egypt is now at war with the passion. Nice tradition. Okay, the Seleucids are getting invaded by Parthia, but it's too early to attack them. I still like the alliance with Egypt, even if I'm getting closer. I like the money for mercenary and a claim over this province. So I've gotta wait. What? Child sacrifice. Bruh. Yes! Oh my god, the Egypt offered us the alliance. No, but they're at war, so they won't join us. No. Mm, let's wait and see what happens. Oh my god, where is the Egyptian army? Bruh. Sadly, it seems that Parthia somehow lost. But they're now at war with Maurya in India. And they are even stronger. Wait. This might be it. This might be it, oh man. But Egypt is still at war, oh my god. But they're going to join. Okay. Okay, I need to split my army so that the Egypt does not steal land that I want. They joined, right? Yes, yes, they did. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just like that. We are now 4 times bigger. Okay, we have a lot of Aramaic culture population. Okay, and I think this is a good moment to stop for now. Egypt might break the alliance, but yeah, I need to make friends with our leader, improve relations. But we are now in a much better position to grow. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Oh wait, what the hell is this? Lucky Nation. I thought I had disabled them. Yeah, even this. Wow. Macedon as well.